Here's a final example of Dijkstra's algorithm from a question from Cambridge. Again, we're going from start to finish, and what we're after is the smallest path or shortest path through this graph. And again, you can see why trial and error is probably going to be a long process with this one, and we just might miss it if we use trial and error. So we're going to run Dijkstra's algorithm on it. So we're starting with that vertex there, S, and we're going to rule up our table, and across the top here we're going to put A, B, C, D, E. We're going to skip F and put that at the end. So we're going to go from E to G to H. E, G, H. And I just want to have, and I just like to use this algorithm such that the final vertice is in this position here. Don't know why, but I just like it that way. Alright, so let's look at where we can get from S. We can get to A or we can get to C. A is going to cost us 3 and C is going to cost us 4. So to get to A, it's 3 from the start. To get to C is 4 from the start. We can't get to B, so we cross out the rest of those, choose and box the smallest value. A becomes the center of attention, rewrite all the box values, and now we're at A. Alright, where can we get to from A? We can get to E or we can get to B. So 3 plus 2 is 5, so it'll cost us 5 to get to B via A. Alright, so that's 5 to A. C we can't get to, so that still stays as 4 from the start. We can get to E, that's going to take 10 from A. Alright, they're the only places we can get to from A, so we cross the rest of the vertices, look for the smallest one, which is this one here. C becomes center of attention. Rewrite boxed values. Alright, now where are we? We're at C. Okay, so from C we can get to B. We can see quickly that that's going to be 4 plus 2, which won't beat 5. So that's going to stay the same as still 5 from A being the shortest path to get to B. Alright, we can also get to D. That's going to be 4 plus 8, which is 12. There's nothing on D at the moment, so that's the automatic winner. 12. From C, 10A gets rewritten with crosses in those positions there. Alright, 5 is the smallest. That's B. Rewrite all the box values. 3S, 5A, 4S. Alright, now where are we? We're at B. From B we can get to E or we can get to H. Alright, now E at the moment is 10. Alright, let's see what's going to happen. This will be 5 plus 6, which will be 11. 11 won't beat 10. So from B to E, it's currently 10. We would get 11 this way, so it's going to stay as 10. B also goes to H. That's 5 plus 9, which is 14. So that's an automatic winner. So 14 from B, cross, cross, that stays at 12. Alright, 10 is the smallest value, so we're going to go to E. So we're going to be here on 10. Alright, rewrite all the boxed values. 3 from the start, 5 from A, it's getting smaller, 4 from the start, 12C. Oops, we shouldn't have written that one just yet, so I'll have to Control Z to undo that. Alright, so we only write the boxed values down, and we won't confirm the D until you know, we've checked it all out. Alright, so we're at 10 for E. 10 only goes to G. 10 plus 5 is 15, so it's going to be 15 to G from E. That's the only place we can go, so now we can safely write down the rest of the values, 12C and cross. Okay, smallest value is 12. D. So we're here. 12 plus 4 is 16. There's only one edge that goes anywhere other than C. So that's going to be 12 plus 4, which is 16. 16 won't beat 14, so that's going to stay as is with H. So all box values get rewritten. 3S, 5A, 4S, 12C, 10A, 15E, and 14B. Nothing changes as a result of that one. F, remember, is still across. Alright, so 14 is the smallest at the moment. That is H. So I write down H, rewrite all box values. It's a bit tedious. 5A, 4S, 12C, 10A. Don't write that one yet. 14B. Alright, now where are we? We're at H. H can go to two places. It can go to F. We're on 14. 14 plus 6 will be 20 to get to F. So we can write down 20 from H. And to get to G will be 14 plus 2, which is 16. H is currently on 15. 16 doesn't beat it, so that gets rewritten. Alright, H, where is it? G is the smallest value, 15. So you can write down G. Alright, I got 3S, 5A, 4S, 12C, 10A, 15E, 14B. Alright, and we've got 20 there. We're on G at 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 beats 20, so 19 is our winner from G. Alright, that's the smallest one, so we box that up, and now we're finished because we've arrived at the vertex, or we've boxed up the finish vertex. Alright, so I know my shortest is 19. I know I get to F from G. I can see that from the little letter there. Now, how do I get to G? Look down that column. I get there from E. That's the only way to get there as well, so it's a no-brainer. How did I get to E? Look down that column there. I got there from A. And how did I get to A? Well, it was from the start. Okay, again, cross-check the values. 3, 10, 15, 19, 19 checks out. So there is my shortest path, both in value and with a description.